This is gonna be very, very different for me, y'all. It's gonna be very different for me. So it's been a couple weeks trying not to put so much stress on my hair. Now it's time. It's time for me to do something, man. Time for me to do something. Usually with faux locks, it's a protective style that I can keep in for a while and not have to worry about touching my hair. So that definitely does good as far as not stressing my hair. So typically when it comes to like synthetic hair and crochet hair, I typically just buy that from the hair store because like y'all already know, I love instant gratification. But this time I decided to order some faux locks online, which I'm not very big on ordering hair online because I like to touch it, I like to see it, I like to make sure that I'm going to like it. So I just got my package in the mail, just got home from work, so this unveil is going to be the first time that I see it too, so let's get into this. So I'm gonna post a picture of the screenshot of where I went to online to find this. Hair. So, oh my gosh, this hair actually came out pretty good. It is 5 packs. 5 packs of hair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, y'all. I only paid for, oh, did I only pay for 5 packs? This is 6 packs of hair. This is a good amount of hair, y'all. I don't know if you can see the color that well, but I'm going to take it out the pack. Now, one thing I can say I really do like is that it came with a crochet needle. So let's go ahead and get into looking at this lock, baby. So the way that these locks are set up kind of makes me think of like the Bobby Boss locks as far as like the texture and the way that the lock itself is made. As you can see, it's black, but it ombres into that blue color. Now, this is gonna be very, very different for me, y'all. It's gonna be very different for me. But I am super excited, you guys. I am super excited, y'all. When I tell you, we about to be showing out for the next 2 to 3 weeks, y'all. Oh my God. So, we're gonna go ahead and get started. As you see, the hair has been freshly washed. I'm gonna take my little heat protectant oil and I'm gonna put like a dime size amount and run this through our towel dried hair. And you just wanna just run your fingers through it. Get it through your hair pretty good. You don't have to use a whole lot, y'all. You know, just run your fingers through it. And then we're gonna blow dry and stretch the hair out. And we're going to get to braiding the foundation. We are going to be crocheting these faux locks. Now, the top, I do the top a little bit different. I got this tip on YouTube actually of doing the top in individual rows and doing the back as cornrows. You don't have to do a whole lot of rows. And honestly, you don't have to do the cornrow all the way down. They don't have to be perfect rows. All right, so now we got our base done, our individual base. And like I said, it's gonna make it look flatter, and it's gonna make it look like it has individual parts, which is gonna make it lay pretty neat. Now, I'm about to show you what we're gonna do. So you see the row where we got our individual braids, and then of course we got all this other hair back here, right? This is what we're gonna do. We're going to continue the line. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the row of braids and we are going to cross them and braid them back into the other row of hair. Now your parting at the back does not have to be super duper perfect because of the fact that no one's gonna be seeing it anyway if you do it full enough. But as you see, look at how flat that is in the front. And we're gonna do that for all of the rows. All right, so we got the base braided down. As you see, it looks more flat at the top. That's what I like. I don't like to see all them humps from the rows. And we're gonna get to, finally, the best part, crocheting the faux locs in. So we got our faux locs, and of course we got our good old crochet needle. Now, as a review, I'm not really feeling the way that these loops are, but anyway, I'll start off with the front. Just show you guys, you can go in where you did one of your parts at, pull the loop through, grab the other end, close it as such, and pull it through and tighten it. Now see how it's gonna like make them look like they're coming like from the sections, and it's gonna make them have a more flat appearance. See how flat that is? Yeah, that's gonna look a whole lot better, y'all. A whole lot better. Okay, why does this one keep wanting to spring up like that? Like, so upon finishing the install, this side, well, minus this one, this side is not as long as this side. That bothers me because I'm gonna be wearing this hair pretty much like full front and back. So I need it to be a little more even. So one way to achieve that is to take your blow dryer and we are going to blow dry the hair a little bit. And when you blow dry it, you want to kind of pull it down some, and the heat will stretch the fiber, making it appear longer. So we don't have to do every single one, but I am just gonna like grab like a couple. Yeah, that looks more even. That looks a lot better. Yeah. So now that we got these in, of course I'm gonna take the clippers, clean up the tape line, clean up the sides, make myself look like somebody since I got some new hair. So I do want to thank you guys for watching. We now are at the final product and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm gonna give you guys a quick review on the hair. So one of the things I can tell you that I love about it, I definitely love like the quality of the locks, like individually. A lot of times when you get faux locks, it's not very easy to run your hands through. I'm able to run my hands through this without a whole lot of snagging, a whole lot of tangles, so I do like that. As far as the thing that I don't like though, the lock itself was twisted very tight all the way up to the end, so it was not exactly as pre-looped as the manufacturer quoted it to be in the advertisement. Granted, it was not horrible, but that did add a lot of time. When we were opening the box, and there was like 6 packs in the box, this is 4.5 packs. And y'all know I don't have any hair on the sides, of course, but I mean, it's quite full. Like, it has a very good density. But I wish that the ombre did not come up as high. I wish it was more black in the top, since I am, you know, a chocolate tone person. I really don't know how comfortable I am with the color being so close to my face itself, but I mean, we're gonna rock with it though. I am so ready to take some pictures. I feel extra fine, y'all. So my goal is to try to keep this style in for at least 4 weeks. That's gonna be hard. That's gonna be damn hard. Y'all, like, the way my dandruff is set up. But we're gonna try though. Also, you guys feel free to follow me on my social media accounts. I'm gonna be having all of that listed on the left side. And all of the products used and mentioned, I'll definitely have links for you guys in the description below. You guys continue to stay safe and stay healthy out there, man. One love, but much love.